Point-of-care coagulation testing. Point-of-care testing or POCT, medical diagnostic testing at the point of care. POCT can be performed on site, in the operating room, and in the ICU. POCT need limitations of central laboratories to timely and completely provide results to clinicians for the diagnosis and management of coagulopathic bleeding associated with cardiac surgery, liver transplantation, and trauma beyond standard coagulation tests such as PT, APTT, platelet count, and fibrinogen level. Commonly used point-of-care devices: thromboelastography, rotation thromboelastometry, sonoclot analysis. TEG device: 360 UL of whole blood is added to activators in two disposable heated cups. A pin attached to a torsion wire is immersed into the blood and the cup rotates through 4.45 in either direction. The pin initially remains stationary, generating a straight line on the tracing, but as the blood clots, the rotational movement of the cup is transmitted to the pin. A mechanical electrical transducer converts the torsion on the pin into the characteristic TEG tracing, from which a number of parameters are derived. The Rotem Analyzer. The Rotem Analyzer uses a modification of this technology. 300 UL of whole blood with activators is incubated in a disposable cuvette and placed in a heated holder. A pin fixed on a steel axis stabilized by a ball bearing is immersed into the blood. A spring rotates the pin in either directions while the cuvette stays stationary. The initial unrestricted rotation of the pin starts to encounter increasing impedance as the clot strength increases. This is detected by an optical system consisting of a light-emitting diode, a mirror on the steel axis, and an electronic camera, and is translated into the characteristic tracing, from which again various parameters are derived. Rotational thromboelastometer or ROTEM offers four important assays such as EXTEM, INTEM, FIBTEM, and UPTEM to assess different aspects of hemostasis and coagulation pathways. Number 1. EXTEM. In this assay, activity of extrinsic pathway of coagulation is explored by using tissue factor to activate the coagulation cascade. Number 2. ENTEM. In this assay, unlike EXTEM, activity of the intrinsic pathway is explored and contact activator ellagic acid is used to activate the coagulation process. INTEM assay is used to evaluate effect of heparin and of protamine. Number 3. FIBTEM. In this assay, cytochalasin D is added to the whole blood sample along with the tissue factor. The cytochalasin D inhibits platelet aggregation. Number 4. APTEM. It uses aprotenin or tranexamic acid in addition to tissue factor and provides information regarding the effect of antifibrinolytic drugs. Sonoclot analyzer. The sonoclot similarly measures the development of clot viscoelastic strength. The principle of function is based on a vertically moving piston. The device measures the impedance to vibration at the tip of the probe. Information provided includes function of coagulation, fibrin gel formation, clot retraction, and fibrinolysis. The sonoclot analyzer generates both a qualitative graph and quantitative results on the clot formation time and the rate of fibrin polymerization. Advantages and disadvantages of POCT. Advantages: fast turnaround compared with laboratory-based testing, whole blood often used allowing interaction between plasma clotting factors, platelets, and red cells, real-time visual display of clot evolution at the point of care, reduction in non-evidence-based transfusion. Disadvantages: measure coagulation under artificial conditions in a cuvette rather than flow within an endothelialized blood vessel. Training and competency of non-hematological staff members required. Rigorous quality assurance standards more difficult to institute outside the laboratory may be more expensive than conventional testing. Point of care coagulation testing, TEG, ROTEM, Sonoclot, platelet function analyzer, Platelet Works, the Verify Now system, the multiplate device, clotting factors test, and heparin test ECT. And these are the hardwares. Thank you and God bless.